We are waiting for announcements, some of the award announcements. I think so. But Divakar, should we call?
So this wonderful international conference is now come to an end. The journey, what we have started from yesterday, was now come to an end with a valedictory ceremony. We have Dr. Diwakar sir and Fernando Alvarez sir for the announcement of all the results of all the research category, PG category, and innovative award category.
Announcement of the awardees will be given by Dr. Fernando.
Yeah.
Yes, I am here. This is Fernando, I am here.
Yes, thank you, sir. You are most welcome. For announcement of the award.
Yeah. But I didn't receive the names.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a second. Just a second. Yes, just a second.
Yes, sir.
One second, please.
Yes, sir. No problem. Welcome. You are welcome.
Okay, I can start if you.
Yes,
you want? Yes. Okay.
Hello,
Again.
hello. Sorry, bro. Can you just
Yes.
can you on your video cam?
Sure. We'll try.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do that. Okay, can you see me? Yes? Okay. Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here yesterday, today, and also it's a great honor for me to announce the winners. And we have three categories. Category A, Innovative Research. Category B, Scholar Research. And C, PG Hours. PG Hours. I will start for category A, and we have two winners. Winner number 2 is Dr. Luke Bahadur Chetri, and the title of the presentation was Effects of Osinomune Saturn L plant extracts on prostate enlargement.
Yeah. Where is Luke Bahadur? Can you come on the cam?
On
Hello?
the screen, please come on the screen. The winner, please switch on the video and come on the screen. The winners, kindly switch on the video.
Luke Bahadur is there. Okay, next.
I think he's not there.
Okay, I will announce.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
I will announce.
Next one.
Yes, I will announce the winner number 1 is from this same innovative research category is Dr. Chandra Prakash Prasad, and the title of the presentation was Natural Compounds for the Therapeutic Management of Lung Cancer.
Dr. Chandra Prakash.
Yes.
Dr. Chandra Prakash, please. Come on the screen.
He is there, but his cam and is there, Chandra Prakash.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the award. Can you see me?
Yes.
No,
Not right
no,
now. Yeah.
no.
Not right now.
Your camera is off. Please
Camera
come.
is off.
Yeah.
Yes, right now. Yes, perfect.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Congratulations.
Yes, yes, Dr.
Once
Thank
again.
you. I'm honored.
Many
Congratulations.
congratulations, Dr. Prakash.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Diwakar. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. We move to the second category, Scholar Research category, and the winner number 3 is Mr. Suraj Singh Gaur, and the title of the presentation was Potential Bioactivity of Cordyceps militaris against Viability of Lung Cancer Cell Line A549.
Where is a winner?
Saurabh.
Saurabh Singh Gaur.
Yes, Suraj?
Thank you very much,
Surya?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, come.
thank you. Move to the winner number 2 in this scholar research category is Mrs. Jyoti Gautam, and the title was Efficient Production of the Potent Antimicrobial Metabolite Terrain from the fungus Aspergillus terreus. Jyoti? Are you here, Jyoti?
Please come on the
Yeah,
screen.
maybe he's not there. She is not there, maybe.
Okay, then we move to the winner number 1 from this scholar research category is Mrs. Saira Shah, and the title of the presentation was Plant-Based Antimicrobial Peptides as Therapeutics.
Shreya Shah. Okay. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Are you
sir.
here? Are you here?
Thank you very much, sir.
Please come on the screen.
Congratulations, yeah.
Congratulations once again. Okay. Next pro.
Okay. And finally, the PG Hours category will start again for number 3, Mr. Shobit Gupta, and the title was Immunomodulatory Compounds Host-Directed Therapies in Tuberculosis.
Please come on the screen.
Congratulations, Dr. Shobit.
Shobit, are you there?
Thank you so much, sir.
Shobit,
Yes, sir.
congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we move for the second prize in this PG category, and is Mrs. Vaishali Biswakarma, and the title is Coenzyme Consortium of Tyrosinease and lacase for Efficient Modification.
Please come on the
Yeah.
screen.
Are you there?
Vaishali Vishwakarma, can you appear on the screen?
Okay.
Are you there?
And
This is not there.
prize, no. And the final prize of this PG Hour category and the final prize of this wonderful symposium conference for Mrs. Wagner Paul, and the title is Comparison of Antibiotic Susceptibility Pattern of Clinical Isolates from Respiratory Tract Infection using Automation System.
Is there? Who?
is there?
Will come on the screen?
Bhavna? Miss Bhavna?
Anna? Okay, and I think from my side this is all. And again, congratulations to all participants. The important is not to win a prize. The important is to participate. And also a big thanks and congratulations to our chair, Dilip Tiwari, for this wonderful work. And I think yesterday was very clear. He has to be the leader of this new consortium between our university and the company. Thank you very much. My best regards from here, from South Africa, and see you very soon.
Thank you, Professor Fernando. There are more congratulations. I feel proud that all the participants and presenters, especially from all the categories, they will be appreciated with the Best Appreciation Award. So, congratulations to all the presentees. Each and everyone who have presented his work will be awarded with the Best Appreciation Award. Most congratulations to all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor. Professor Fernando.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Professor, for validating this function.
Anil is there? Huh? Anil?
Yeah, Dr. Tiwari.
Yes, I'm here.
Say some word for Professor Argusho and go for closing of this session.
Okay. First, okay. I sincerely congratulate to all of you on grand success of the second Harry Cure University KwaZulu-Natal International Conference and Webinar. Title was Recent Progress in Bioactive Compound in Molecular Against Respiratory Disease and Comorbidities, Diagnostic and Future Challenges. I am sure the conference was well recognized, well balanced, and had a very topical agenda. The speakers were all highly respected professionals, and debate was the dynamic. The participants were quite impressive. There has been an excellent discussion. I believe that this opinion is shared by most of the participants. I wish my team for further achievement and hope for continuing cooperations. Dear friends, things may seem tough initially, but your hard work, dedication, and devotion would make them look easy enough. The same has been with us for success of international conference. The effort done honestly by you brought a big achievement that you have proved it well. There are a few people that can make a history with the hard work, and you have done it. I would like to extend my appreciation for the amazing work done by Dr. Diwakar Tiwari. He is organizing secretary of this conference, and Dr. Bharadwaj, he is a convener of this conference, and my very young team and IT, they are actually IT part, he is supporting Mr. Arpit Srivastava, Dr. Juhi Sharma, Dr. Teresa Gaji, she is a organizing secretary from South Africa, and my Trisha Naikers, Gert Krugers, my best friend, Dr. Professor Anil Chaturgun, and all UKZNs, my colleagues, for this unamazing success of conference. The endless hour that you have been spent working for arrangement and organizing this conference. Really, I am proud of you. Dear colleagues, your diligence, self-motivation, and focus have been a source of motivation for the rest of the team in organ- sorry, organizing this successful event. Thank you once again for all your efforts, especially since you worked round the clock in this tough pandemic time as well. I would personally, on behalf of all working committee member participants, I would like to thank you for your hard work and devotion your precious time. We grateful to have you as a member of our team, and we hope to see you grow in your life. The talent and hard work meet together that result in a grand success. The way you will it present your skill. Think beyond your effort. You can do it anything, anywhere. And again, I just my thanks to Professor Fernando to come, and he is appreciate to all team, and my special thank to Professor. Congratulations to all my committee members. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Vigyan.
There's a special announcement for all the participants that those who are waiting for their certificates in next upcoming weeks, you will receive the certificates with the feedback form. After filling the feedback form, you will receive your certificate. Okay. So just wait for the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much. Over to you, Dr. Diwakar Singh.
Good evening to all of you. On the behalf of organizing team, I deem it a great honor and privilege to the opportunity given to me for vote of thanks on the memorable occasion on the grand success of our second HARICURE UKJN Hybrid International Conference and Webinar. First of all, I must start by giving glory to the Almighty God and blessings of Sadhguruji for Sarve Bhavantu Sukhine, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu, Ma Kasrit Dukh Bhag Bhavet. Means, may all sentient beings be at peace. May no one suffer from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. And making our today's conference a resounding success. I have been assigned the most difficult task as I feel to say thanks. It looks very formal to me, especially to say thanks. It seems that all efforts have an end. Now with this word thank. I shall always be indebted to all of you for your efforts and to spare your precious time for 2 days in this pandemic era. But as the responsibility given to me, I will do it with my bottom of heart. First and foremost, I thank our chairman, Dr. Dilip Tiwari, for initiation and taking the responsibilities to organize such an event in such a tough time. Really, his efforts have bring us to meet at such a platform that will really be memorable and develop relations and collaborations among us. To collect here from different parts of the world, we have really organized a family by this event. My heartfelt thanks and with the loads of gratitude and respect for our guest of honor, Honorable Professor Sangeeta Shukla, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shivaji University Gwalior, for not only sparing their valuable time for us to grace the occasion, but also for accepting our invitation in a short time. She has enlightened us with her commendable talk on the subject of the conference. I am highly obliged to you, Madam, and extend my heartfelt thanks to cooperate us from time to time in future as well. We are grateful to patron of the web conference, Honorable Professor Lucy Kama, Honorable Vice Chancellor, UKZN, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, South Africa, who despite of her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Professor Kama for your valuable contribution. I am again thankful to Honorable Professor Lucy Kama as she presented her inaugural speech. She has expressed her grief about a great loss in our country during this pandemic. Honorable Madam, we are thankful and pay homage to you from our country with this platform of our conference. We are again thankful to you for deep knowledge provided by you about communicable and respiratory diseases, etc. So nice of you, ma'am. Thanks for your collaboration, commitment, and trust expressed by you. A lot of knowledge has also been given by you on COVID-19 in relation to both the countries. I owe special gratitude and feel honor to Professor Anil Chuturgun, President of this conference and Dean of Research, College of Health Sciences, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, South Africa. Sir, I am sure without your encouragement and able guidance, this event was absolutely impossible. I am thankful to you, sir, for your kindness, interest, and continued support for the grand success of this web conference. Honorable Professor Chuturgun, your introductory lecture has also been remarkable for the conference. We are again thankful to you. Now,
Thank you.
my heart,
Dr. Bharadwaj. Hmm.
yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
My heartfelt thanks with lots of gratitude and respect to Honorable Professor Fernando Albrecia from UKZA, South Africa and Barcelona, Spain. He is Professor, Department of Chemistry, College of Agriculture, Engineering and Science, UKZN, Durban, South Africa, University, Barcelona, Spain. Sir, you have had a great role to organize this conference systematically and to fulfill our dream of such a conference. We are again thankful for your speech as keynote speaker, and we achieved a great knowledge, especially about the role of teaching and universities and public and private partnership. I am running short of words to express my humble thanks to Professor T.S. Pillay, Professor of Chemical Pathology and Head Department of University of Pretoria, Pretoria, South Africa. Your speech on single domain antibodies and their application in COVID-19 has provided us immense knowledge about it. Sir, your efforts, cooperation and inspiration to organize this conference are invaluable. You have put a remark on your effort on all the members of the conference. Thank you very much, sir. Again, I would like to thank Professor Janardhan Kumar also, Professor Becker, College Worcester, Massachusetts, USA, the Vice President and co-organizer of this conference. Sir, without your guidance and inspiration to organize such type of conference was not possible for us. We are again thankful to you for your valuable help and kind cooperation in future as well. We are also grateful to Professor Gert S. Kruger, Professor at CPRU School of Health Sciences, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, South Africa. Sir, your efforts are uncountable. We have become your disciples, sir, and will follow you. You have been always engaged during conference in both the days. I have no word to say anything about you. You have been observing very keenly the whole process of conference. Sir, your kind cooperation, suggestion and guidance have been unforgettable and have a great role to make conference really success. I thank our well-wisher and a renowned personality, Professor Piris Garcia de la Torre, Department of Chemistry, College of Agriculture, Engineering and Science, UKZN, Durban, South Africa, for continuing cooperation and suggestion for organizing the conference. Your efforts have given a lot to us and have put a path for us for future as well. Thank you again for your contribution and sparing your valuable time for us. I would like to thank to the torch bearer of this conference to make it a grand success, our Dr. Diwakar Sharma. In spite of his ill health, his contribution has been amazing. He has been leading and inspiring the whole team in working towards the goal of conducting this conference. We are thankful to Dr. Diwakar. Thank you once again for huge support at all the times. Your suggestions and contribution has invaluable and the whole conference attendees and organizers will render your work on records. Sir, you have indeed put best of your efforts to make this conference unforgettable. I have no words to pay homage and thanks to Professor Tricia Naikar, CPRU, Discipline of Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, South Africa. I am grateful to you, madam, and special gratitude for your kind help and taking the key of this conference in your hands. Without your efforts, we could not think the completion and success of this conference. Your patience, your kind help, your valuable suggestion and encouragement to the participants and organization of this conference always put enthusiasm on us. We again extend our thanks for your cooperation in the future as well. I express my heartfelt gratitude thanks to all the distinguished speakers from esteemed institutes of international repute. My thanks and regards are due to Mr. Muktikant Ray, Head Scientific Officer, Hospital Radio Pharmacy, Section Radiation Medicine Center, Bark, Mumbai, for your greatly valuable cooperation and speech that put a valuable remark on our knowledge about radiations. Thank you very much, sir. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Adinarayan Kunameni, Assistant Professor, Department of Medicine, Mayo Clinic, Jacksonville, Florida, United States, for his continuous cooperation and suggestion from time to time and sparing his valuable and precious time to deliver a speech that adds in success of this conference. Again, my heartfelt gratitude to thank to all the invited speakers, Professor Savita Kulkarni from Bark, Mumbai, Dr. Deepa Bisht from Jalma Institute of Leprosy and Mycobacterial Disease, Agra, Dr. Yash Gupta from Mayo Clinic, United States, Dr. Dhruv Kumar from MIT University, Noida, India, Professor Sanjeeva Srivastav, IIT Bombay, India, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, Associate Professor at Clinical Microbiology Department, Lovely Professor, University, Punjab, India, Dr. Humira Mulla, ABMH, India, Professor Kamlesh Chore, Professor and Head at AKS University, Satna, Dr. Niladri Ray Roy, Department of Chemistry, Royal College of Surgeons, Dublin, Ireland, Dr. Krishna Anand, Research Scientist, Department of Chemical Pathology, University of Free State, Dr. Aditi Singh, MET University, Lucknow, India. Dr. Rajiv Misra, Head Department of Biosciences, Manipal University, Jaipur. Dr. Viron Ramseron, Crips, Africa. Dr. Raghavendra Balakrishnan, India. Jigyasa Sharma and AIMS India, and Dr. Ulrich Beck from Germany. Again, my special thanks and regards are due to Professor Sandeep Sharma, Dr. Neela Reddy Roy, Dr. Kamlesh Chore, Professor Fernando Albicia, Professor T.S. Pillai, Professor Mr. Mukti Kantre, Dr. Adinarayan Kunameni for their most valuable cooperation and help, also being special members of special committees and chairing the different sessions. I have again privileged to honor members of advisory board for their valuable advices and cooperation to make the conference successful. Now, I feel proud and honored to thank our organizing secretaries, Dr. Diwakar Sharma, Dr. Tarisha Ghazi from College of Health Sciences, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, South Africa. Madam Ghazi, without your cooperation and efforts to do and such a conference, and you did and take pain as you gain, it was impossible to organize such well-managed and well-balanced conference very peacefully. Dear organizing team, without your hard work, dedication and devotion, the dream of such an event of conference was impossible. Special thanks to Dr. Durgesh Singh. Madam, you have been engaged with our different committees round the clock. We value your precious time in such a different period, in such a difficult period. Your communication has always been appreciated by all our workers and committees. Engineer Arpit Srivastav and Dr. Juhi Sharma, all members have become indebted to both of you in this era of technology, especially the era of information technology and communication. It is just impossible to organize any event or conference without using these technologies. You have been found always available for any type of work. Your designing related to the conference have always been appreciated and admirable. You did a lot in very short time, and sometimes we needed your immediate help and you put your best. We are very much thankful to you for working 24 hours and all the 7 days of week. You have indeed put your best of your efforts to make this conference unforgettable. My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dilip Pandey and Surendra Kumar Tripathi, who worked to supervise the program and publishing in media. Now, how can I forget our working committee? I owe my special thanks to Mrs. Raj Lakshmi, Dr. Amit Singh, Dr. Shubhasis Somai, Mr. Shreyans Parsai, Mr. Shawaz, Mr. Balaji Chavan, Dr. Sagar S. Borais. You all have been working all the days, all the times to make your dream as real with the grand success of this conference. Thanks once again to the whole team. My heartfelt thanks to our respected attendees and presenters as delegates for accepting our invitation and sharing their valuable time to this conference. Dear participants, you have been encouraging the morale of the speakers by their gusto and enthusiasm. It's a hard fact that without your kind presence in this web conference, we could not have accomplished our dreams of organizing the conference. Last but not the least, I thank you, my friends, for your cooperation in making this webinar and conference as a resounding success. I would like to thank one and all present here in this web conference or working behind the screen for helping us to make this conference a grand success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. I have some special announcement also. Respected all, I have honor that I have been assigned an opportunity to announce something special on the behalf of all the eminent personalities related to us through this conference. I feel proud to announce that we have decided to raise a scientific society to share our views and all related scientific work to be published. Your kind cooperation and suggestions will be highly appreciated. Without your cooperation, nothing will be possible. Soon we will have this society. You all are requested to contribute. We all have decided to publish some magazine also through this society to contribute our work. The society will definitely helpful to everyone in different ways. Your suggestions are always welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Dr. Bharadwaj.
Thank you. You are welcome, sir.
I would like to actually invite my board of director, Raj Lakshmi.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We can listen.
Thank you, Dr. Bharadwaj and Dr. Dilipji. I am really happy to be part of this conference. I want to congratulate Dr. Tiwari and whole HeriCure team for success of second HeriCure conference. Especially in these challenging times, you've put it all together 2 years in a row. And I would not take a lot of time because Dr. Bharadwaj has covered everybody. And I'm really thankful to Dr. Bharadwaj for putting such an effort for each and every speaker. This has been a brilliant event, bringing scholars all across the globe together for these 2 days. I'm thankful to all the eminent speakers for enlightening us with your knowledge, taking time out on this weekend and giving us inspiration and positivity for a healthy, better future, which is really required in these times. So looking forward to next conference and the publication that's coming out. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, madam. Now, Rekha Tiwari, the board of director, will put her speech, and I think she want to thank to everyone. So you are most welcome, Rekha Tiwari.
Thank you, Arpit. I will not take more time. Myself, Rekha Tiwari, Director of HeriCare. Congratulations and thank you all. Thank you very much, all of you, to make a grand successful of our conference. And I would like to invite all committee members, all team members, please on your screen, and then we can celebrate together. So Arpit, Diwakar ji, Durgesh, Juhi, Bharadwaj sir, Nidhi, please on your again say thank you. Hello all team members. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Durgeshwari.
Hello, sir.
Hi Nidhi. Hello Durgeshwari. Juhi is not there. Congratulations all team members once again.
Thank you so much, and thank you for all the committee members for such event.
Thank you.
I guess everyone is looking Joseph. So just take a screenshot
Dr. Tiwari,
on the screen,
please
on the
come also.
presenter screen or on the moderator screen. Just take a screenshot for all the teams.
Yeah, Dr. Tiwari, you are
Yes,
not
and Dr.
visible.
Tiwari. Yes, yes. Please, Dr. Tiwari, please.
Okay. Thank you so much. And actually, you guys is a winner.
Thank you so much, sir.
Uh, where is it? Where is Amit and Juhi? Dr. Juhi,
I think these people are not there.
come on. Take a Where she is? Trisha is there?
She is also no, also.
Trisha, Trisha, thank you so much, Dr. Divakar Sharma, your efforts, and Arpit, Dr. Bharadwaj, and all my team members. Just take a screenshot and we will just end the
I have taken
session.
one and others also take because all are not coming in one. So all other please take it.
Dr. Tiwari, madam is also in same frame. Please call him.
No, I'm not in same frame. I think his camera is not working.
Okay.
Ah.
Then you
Yes,
both
where-
people
So
come
you both
together.
can come in
Yeah,
one frame.
that's
Yes,
that's good.
absolutely
where
correct.
is
Yeah.
where is Raj Lakshmi?
She's ma'am was there actually. Yes, she's here.
Rajani
Ma'am
is
is here.
here.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you all of.
Okay,
So,
so
say
again,
some. Yeah. Arpit,
anyone
please.
can take the screenshot. I am taking it from my side. Please others also take because all are not coming in one frame. Okay. Okay, now good.
Divakar,
Thank you,
just
everyone.
conclude these sessions and these sessions.
I think all is covered by
Okay, thanks.
Dr. Bharadwaj. And I also thanks to all of them for making this nice, wonderful conference. And I think
As a organizing
everybody
secretary,
contributes a lot in this. And I also thank myself because I get the positive corona positive, so that I contribute too much.
You are a significant
Otherwise, I
warrior
am unable
among
to
us.
give the time properly for this conference.
You are a significant warrior among us. We all
Not
appreciate your
significant. Most of the people
phenomenal
are
effort. Yes.
contribute too much.
Dr. Dilip sir, your mic is not okay.
Yeah, just unmute.
So you are saying something.
Muted.
Fernando? Pro Fernando, can you come on the screen?
A tremendous work was done by all the members from South Africa and other countries. They have done a very brilliant job in this conference.
Yeah, he's coming.
Yes. Hello,
Yeah,
Fernando
hi.
sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So I'm just again taking a screenshot.
Yeah, take it. Thank you.
Absolutely good. So it's now good.
Take over.
A new beginning
In
in today's night.
Yeah.
We will again move further with upcoming conference. Dilip sir, are you going to announce the next upcoming conference for the next year, 2022?
2030, no, 2020. Okay. Actually, yeah, 2023, we will actually not hybrid. No, not hybrid conference. There will be the physical conference.
Sure.
Hope
I got
Face-to-face conference.
Yeah, yes, Prof. Yeah. Thanks you once again, all of you. Okay, thanks.
Dr. Bharadwaj.
Yeah. Take again. You take again.
yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good night.
Arpit, have you done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you. Good night to everyone. Have a nice dreams.
Good night.
Thank you.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night to everyone. Good night.